Hello everybody, how have you guys been doing? It's me Richie Kevin and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can mute and unmute someone's Instagram story. So remember, there's two types of mute. One mute will only mute their Instagram story. The other type of mute will mute both their Instagram story and post. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to the profile of the person. Now once you're in the person's profile who's like, story you want to mute, click on the following button with the arrow and go on mute. Once you go on mute, you have the option, do you want to mute the post or the stories? You can turn on the stories if you want to mute only the stories. If you want to mute the post as well, you can turn it on. Once you do that, basically you're good to go. You have muted their Instagram story and post as well. But let's say you want to unmute them. You can, come over here, or you can even go to this place. Click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Click on the three line at the top right corner. Go on setting. Over here, you want to go on privacy. Scroll a bit down. Go on muted accounts. It's going to show you all the accounts you have muted. So go on the account which you want to unmute. Click on the following button with the arrow again. Go on mute. This time turn off post and stories. If you want to just turn off your stories, turn it off. If you want to turn off both posts and story, turn both of them off and it should work. So yeah, that's basically how we guys can mute and unmute Instagram story. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. See you guys next time. Bye bye.